Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here it is, chapter 17. There always teacher asking for parents. Back to teacher C. Teacher C was still sleeping, but Lucy Xiao came back to the city right now. And now she was calling teacher C. Teacher C, she was still sleepy. Now she hurriedly answered the phone. She didn't know that Lucy Xiao is the one who's calling her. Right now, look at her. She looks really surprised. Lucy Xiao said, Teacher C, I'm at the door of your house. Now, she looks really surprised. On the other hand, Teacher C said, I'll come right away. She hurriedly stand up. On her side, Lu Wei was sleeping soundly. Lu Wei was really sick. On the other hand, Lucy Xiao was standing on Teacher C's house. She still has his luggage and still goes to Teacher C. Now Teacher C opened the door. Look at Lucy Xiao. She really looks tired. She came from a long flight and now she comes straight to Teacher C's house. Lucy Xiao asking Teacher C, how is Nunu? Nunu or Lu Wei. By the way, she has two names. The fever has gone down and she's still sleeping in my room. Teacher C said to her. Right now, Teacher C said, go in and take a look. Lucy Xiao, she came inside and went straight to the room of Teacher C. On this moment, Teacher C, she looked back to see Lucy Xiao. Well, Lucy Xiao, she was hurriedly want to see Lu Wei right now. Look at Teacher C. She was in trance. This is the first time she see Lucy Xiao in panic and was really worried. Right now, Lucy Xiao came to the bed and see Lu Wei was still sleeping soundly. She was only sitting and waiting for Lu Wei to wake up. Right now, Teacher C was on her side. Seeing Lucy Xiao on the state, she really see through all of her. So right now, what will Teacher C do? She was really concerned. Look at her. She looks really worried about these two. The mother and the daughter is on her house right now. Lucy Xiao, she's still worried. But Lu Wei, she was still sleeping soundly. Now, Lucy Xiao pause. It looked like Lu Wei is gonna wake up right now. She was humming. It looked like she was really in pain. Turns out, Lucy Xiao grabbed her hands and she was rubbing it. She really scared to touch Lu Wei. Right now, she was rubbing her hands and seeing Lu Wei's face. It looked like her hands are being cold, so she want to feel her hands if it is cold if she touched Lu Wei. After seeing it warm, now Lucy Xiao, she carefully pat Lu Wei's head. Right now, she want to feel if Lu Wei was still hot. She still have the fever. Lucy Xiao, she said to herself that Lu Wei was still fine. The fever has run down. Lu Wei's temperature is getting better. Lucy Xiao, fortunately, the temperature has gone down. Now, she was still looking at Lu Wei. Teacher C said the temperature has dropped in the past few days. Many children in the class has cough colds. Now Lu Wei may have been infected, Teacher C said to Lu Shishao. I'm not qualified to judge anyone, but it's really not appropriate for your child to be so young and leave her alone at home. Teacher C was giving advice to Lu Shishao. But Lu Shishao said to her that sorry, causing trouble to you and Nunu. Lu Shishao know to herself that she's been lacking as a mother. Right now, said to Xian. Lu Wei suddenly coughed. Now, seeing this, Lu Shishao feels guilty. On the other hand, Lu Wei was still coughing. Now, Nunu was already awake. Lu Shishao said to Nunu, Mother is back. Nunu is staring at Lu Shishao right now. Still feeling uncomfortable, Lu Shishao asking Nunu. Nunu said it's not uncomfortable anymore. Mom, please hug me. Lu Wei has having a baby talk to Lu Shishao. Right now, she wants to make her a baby. Lu Shishao said, Baby, I'm sorry, it's Mom's fault. Right now, she was hugging Lu Wei and said to her. On the other hand, Tian went outside on the room. She's going to the living room right now. She said to Lu Shishao that she brought Nunu back yesterday from hospital. Now Xian bring the medicine and the food for Lu Wei. On the other hand, she was in daze and not paying attention. She hurriedly put art photos into the study room to avoid embarrassment. Well, she remembers everything. She was rushing through, put everything to her stock room, to be able not to see by Lu Wei. Looking back on what happened yesterday, Xian was really looking at it. She cried. Oh. Xian noticed that Lu Shishao was still crying. She went out from the room, leave Lu Wei alone, have more sleep. Right now, look at Lu Shishao. She really looks devastated on what happened to Lu Wei when she's still alone. Thanks God, everything is fine because of Teacher C. It must be difficult for her to take care of the child alone. Still Lu Shishao, single mother, she needs to balance work, Lu Wei, and everything. Teacher C thinks what I just said was a bit too much. Well, she was right. First, she judged Lu Shishao. She didn't even see the hardship of Lu Shishao before. So right now, Teacher C gradually notices and understands everything happened. Now Xian forcibly calmed down herself. Xian and Lu Shishao looking each other's eye. Right now, Xian really feels sorry for her. As of today, her perceptions are being changed. Now, she was talking in a soft voice. Xian said to Lu Shishao, do not cry, because you see Lu Shishao looks really in panic right now. Xian wiped her tears, and now it looks like she wants to assure that everything will be fine. That Lu Shishao don't need to worry. Shishao said, thank you, I'm fine. The doctor said just take a medicines and rest well, and you will be cured in 1 to 2 weeks. Xian wanted to assure that everything will be fine. Right now, Lu Shishao was really grateful and said to Xian that thank you this time. Teacher C see through everything about her. Now she was really worried. Looking back at Lu Shishao, Teacher C hugged her, said to her that if you go on the business trip to the other place in the future, you can let Nunu come to my place. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!